Okay, so in this video we're going to look at a kite. We're going to try and find the area of the kite, but we'll transform it into a parallelogram. We're going to rotate it, move it and twist it around to make a parallelogram. This is how this works. What we're going to do first is just split our shape. And so now what we've got is the original kite. Alright, we have a kite. And what we're going to do is now going to take the kite and make it into a parallelogram. This is how we'll do it. And what we'll do is we will spin that around. Okay, and then we'll spin this round as well, but we'll spin this the other way. And then with a bit of trickery, we can do a flip and a slide. Alright, so what you have there is a parallelogram. Okay. It's a long, thin, pointy parallelogram, but it's still a parallelogram. And what we can see here with this parallelogram is that it has the same area as kite, i.e. blue plus green gives you kite, blue plus green gives you parallelogram. Now, let's have a look at the parallelogram. We know the name of that. So the distance between the parallel lines is called the height. Let me just call it h for now. And we have a name for this bottom length, which is the base. And the area of the parallelogram, we said, was simply base times height. Okay. Now, with a kite, what we're looking at here is how could we find the area of a kite given this information here. So this is called a diagonal. This is also called a diagonal. And what we think we'll do is we'll call this one diagonal number 1. Makes sense. And this one, yep, you guessed it, diagonal 2. Now the unfortunate thing about parallelogram and a kite is then there are different words attached to them. But what can we see? The length of the diagonal 2 is the same length as what? Well, it looks like it's the same length as the base. And the diagonal 1 is, now then, let's have a look at diagonal 1. Height to height h. Correct. It's 2 times the height, which is called h. Okay. Now, what do we want then? Base times height is the area, and let's have a look at what that would mean then. So in terms of what we've got, the kite area is the same as the parallelogram area, which is base times height. But the base is called diagonal 2. You with this? Times h. Well, if diagonal 1 is 2 lots of the h, then h is of diagonal 1. Okay. So this gives us the kite area as a half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And that's it. Done.